So we're here with Inga and David at a special 3D experience booth. So let you guys just kind of tell us what you're showing here at the booth.
Yes, hello. This is a cyber physical experience. What does that mean? It means we're linking the cyber that is typically known here as SolidWorks or as Delmia, as any type of software program, with the real, and the real is right behind us, those two robots. David, can we get them started? Yes? Okay. So why is this of interest right now? Is because, of course, we design everything in the virtual. That's a V. We usually make sure that we simulate our experiences in the virtual. In SolidWorks and in Delmia, right? But then, of course, also it's interesting to analyze how well do we simulate and what does it mean actually in the real, and how do we optimize the run in the real. So, and this is what it's literally the conflation of the virtual and the real.
Okay, and we're getting sensor data from the robots.
Yes.
To talk about motor torque and things like that to match the simulation.
Yes, correct. So the simulation here you see Delmia, it's working. So here we put everything first in place. So the entire thing, what you will see now, has been first simulated in Delmia. And it's operated through what we call here control build. So this is control build. Now this is all only possible because we are on the 3D Experience platform, which integrates our software and which enables now also very easily SolidWorks to be connected.
Nice. And the 3D Experience platform is a big topic this year. Big announcements.
Yes, as for me, one of the biggest takeaways here is the VNR conflation, the cyber physical, linking the virtual, our key capabilities now with the run and the optimization of that. Second takeaway, this is all only possible because of the platform and the great capabilities now and extension of SolidWorks to all of the tools Dassault System has.
Nice.
Yeah, I think that's very cool. And then if you look at this here, this is real-time data coming in. And David can now explain a little bit more what we have here on the left side, on the right side, which is an interactive graph that is here linking the actual simulation currently underway with X-Elite in one part.
In one part, yeah.
Yes.
So I think this is the big takeaway for TriMech customers.
Sure, yeah. So one part, we can have a dashboard set up with X-Elite Analytics. And then that can show you things like the motor torques. And if you have one of the motors, for example, where the torques are exceeding the limits that you've defined for it, then we can go here. We can see, okay, this motor is coming in too high. So we can click on that. We can see what motor it is. We can drill in, get some information on it. We can open this up in SolidWorks. Right. We can get other motors that have the same geometry as that would fit right in, but maybe would handle a higher torque. And so then,
then we're in good shape.
Exactly.
All right, cool. So that combination is what I'm seeing here. That tying virtual to physical. That's
yes,
cool.
That's very important. Yeah. So and once we have seen this, here you see this as a top view. This is coming directly SolidWorks connecting to Delmia. And here you see how we in the virtual look carefully at the overall setup, whether it matches what we're trying to do. This is thanks also, by the way, sponsorship of UR, Universal Robots, that were so kind to place our two friends here behind us on the shop floor. We're really glad to have them here. And one other thing maybe to point out is we have heard today about the marketplace.
Oh, right. Yeah.
So, and one part, what's also very interesting here, what David already pointed out, is that one part is not only linked to the analytics that come from the real robot, meaning if there's a problem, you can detect the problem. You also, via one part, determine exactly where the problem is. And with one part, you look for where, how you can replace the problem. How do you fix the problem? Because you look for replacements.
Gotcha.
So, and then again, the question then is, do I have that part maybe in my storage, or do I go and shop for it online? Exactly, and that's where we see the complete link between the virtual and the real and extended into the marketplace.
That's awesome. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.